Hello, my name is Lara. My advisor throughout the project was Claudia Mandaio, and my study regards food advertisement and was focused on how it influences teens' eating habits nowadays, especially on the social media Instagram. Well, during 8th grade, my study regarded mostly food advertisements in social media in general, and in year 9 was focused on the social media Instagram and how it influences teens' eating habits. The main objective of this research was to discover how food advertisement on Instagram influences on teens' eating habits nowadays. And the specific objectives were to understand the marketing strategies used in this social media, in the food industry, understand the main consequences, and finally analyze 3 Instagram posts and analyze its possible strategies used in them. Thus, 3 subtopics were written, one for each specific object. In the first subtopic, based on the readings mainly of Barbosa and Wancher, it was understood that the main objective of food advertisement is the sale and advertising of foods, and that they are generally really fatty and caloric, and that the biggest advertisers are fast food restaurants in the world, throughout the world. Also, it was understood that brands use numerous marketing strategies, such as their presence in social media with the help of algorithms, which establishes a relationship of trust between the consumer and the brands, and also because social media has a bigger audience, so it helps a lot with the advertising. Also, other strategies used are advertising tricks, the use of vibrant colors that call more attention, and the use of apps. In the second subtopic, based on the readings of Carbonari and Ribeiro, it was possible to state that the most effective group are the teenagers, especially because the group is the one that most spend time on social media, that today is the main means of communication of the world, and also because they follow public figures, which and are exposed more because some advertisements are generated between the partnership of public figures and brands. Therefore, it was possible to understand that they are possibly influenced by these ads, and that the main sequels are cardiovascular diseases, obesity, and others. In addition to the readings, 3 Instagram posts were analyzed from 3 different fast food brands, with some analysis categories, them being: firstly, analyze the main strategies used and discover how food is disclosed to the public; secondly, see why the teens are influenced by these ads; and thirdly, understand some of the health consequences. It became possible then to observe that the marketing strategies were used, and to conclude, after reading the text of Turbiani and Feal, that with this, the adolescents are influenced to consume or eat these foods because they are still in development, which causes some diseases such as the ones mentioned before. In conclusion, it is important to emphasize that food advertisements on Instagram, with the help of marketing and image strategies, influence young people's eating habits, which causes health problems such as cardiovascular diseases, obesity, and others, because many times the foods are high in fat content and many very caloric. Thank you.